That's a full.
Yeah. These are going out.
Alright, you need tub?
No, I got one more.
One more?
So
Okay.
yeah, I'll get it next time.
Alright,
Thank you. Hey guys, it's Winston here. Today is September 11 and it is now 2:21 p.m. and this morning I made some stickers. Let me show you guys what it is. It says get shipped done and with a cargo ship. So what my plan was, I'm printing out more flyers, and then I have several, there's several buildings here. They do logistics, and then like they have cargos, and then a lot of warehouses here, and there are logistics company. So I think I drove by a big building the other day, and I just thought, wow, that's a very big warehouse. I don't know how big it is, but they got, I'll say over like 40 cargo truck, and then made me think that I probably want to send my flyers there, and then see if I can help them with any printing or shipping service, because I know that those companies are probably already have contract or already have accounts with UPS or FedEx, but it never hurts to just drop off my flyers there. I'm planning to mail it, so I made a couple more flyers. So I'm gonna cut it in 3 parts. I'm gonna mail it in actual letter, and then I'm gonna basically write their address on the mail personally, because if you just send EDDM like postcards or ads like this, there are times that they will just throw it away. So but if it's a letter, I'm actually gonna put stamps on it. So put stamps on it, write their address, and then put the flyers inside, and I'm gonna include a couple of these stickers. So hey, at least it will make them look at my flyers, and then they can get some free stickers. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Just a little bit more marketing that I just thought of. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna work on that today. And this morning I did one notary. So my old customer, he's my second customer of my virtual mailbox. Yeah, so he's a like a veteran, a pretty older guy, and he's very nice. And last time I did a notary for him, but he said it got rejected from their bank or something. But it's not my fault. It's their document is not complete, so they have to redo the notary again. So he came, and then so I did one notary, and then I also shipped one package. Ship one USPS package, and then there's a couple drop off. I mean, slowly I've been noticing that my store has been growing more foot traffic than before, because I will say maybe like 2 weeks ago there were like 1 day or 2 days with no customers at all, not even drop-offs. And then nowadays I'll say my average right now, it's about, got shut off again. So I'll say my average customers in a day will be around like 8 to 10 nowadays, because just today I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I got 4 drop-offs already, and then my 2 regulars will come for sure today in the afternoon. And I think, and there are new faces, there are new customers there, and I asked, how do you find me? So some of them, said they found me on Google. So I think it's best to complete your Google profile on your business listing. That will, if you put more service on the Google business profile, people can look for you, can search. Let's say you do printing, then you just put printing on the service you provide, or the passport. So when people search passport, my store will pop up on Google. Even though that it's still slow, I mean the business, it's slowly to pick up, and I need to make more money, but I think it will eventually break even at one point. It will just take some time, and I'm basically almost 4 months in. So my grand opening was on May 18th, and it is now September 11th. So in 7 more days will be my 4th month. So yeah. So I said I was gonna do some numbers to show you guys my numbers. I'll do it on the 15th because my first sale was on the 15th of April. So I think I will do a video on the 15th, and then we'll do some numbers, and I'll show you guys in the Postmates what my numbers are, the growth and everything. I mean, I did look at it the other day, so I was kind of surprised. Even though that I'm still way below my rent. My gross is way below my rent. I still need to cover some of my rent, but it did slowly to pick up better than I thought. So yeah, just need more time, and then keep grinding, and then so for all of you who are new owners out there, yeah, don't stop. Just keep grinding, keep do marketing, do something new every day. That's what I'm doing, because when you drive by let's say you drive by and you think there is a business opportunity, just go for it. Like, go into that plaza, just hand out your flyers, hand out your business card, go into each store, and then just introduce yourself, saying I'm a new owner in town, and then if you have packages, we do USPS, FedEx, and all that. Let them know that what you do. I mean, even though let's say if they don't care, but at least that business card will one day he'll put it away, but one day if he really needs something, he might pick it up and call you or come in. Yeah, so don't get discouraged, and then yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish off cutting these, and then I'm gonna put it in I'll put it in the envelope, and then I'm gonna mail it to that big warehouse. It's not far from here, like 1 mile from here. But yeah, don't get discouraged by slow growth. Okay, keep it up. Keep grinding. Keep do some marketing. Doesn't matter what type of marketing, just do some marketing. It will help. Oh, hi.
Hola, Spanish?
No, but it's okay. How can I help you?
Okay.
Drop off?
No.
Yeah, that's it's gonna be a problem. I don't speak Spanish, and there are a lot of people who speak Spanish here, and I'm trying to help them, but they still don't understand. Yeah, with the QR code on Amazon returns, basically they can cancel that return and then return it again, and then select when you scroll down, there's an option saying that you have printer and box, so they can actually select that and then send a label and then to my email, to the store's email, and now we can print it out for them. But I guess that's too many steps, and then sometimes customers don't they don't really know how to do that, and it'll be a little bit hard if we try to tell them like what to do, unless we grab their phone and then we do it. So, but yeah, so Amazon return is still a problem for a pack and ship store, for individual pack and ship store. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure something out. Eventually, I hope this QR code thing can be solved, or we can be we have a system that maybe Package Hub or Postal-Mate, they can, you know, see if they can work out something with Amazon. Hope that, yeah, I hope we can get, you know, scan the QR codes, because otherwise we lose so many foot traffic and customers sometimes. So I printed a hologram sticker, you know, thank you for supporting local business, and then with the envelope, handwritten address and the company's name, and also my address label. I use hologram, so hopefully it will catch their eye. So I'm gonna put this in like this, and then stickers, freebies. To me, I think this is more personal. It's like try to, you know, reach to the company's HR department, or let's say accountant, or maybe the owner. So yeah, that way I hope they'll open it and look, and if they know it's an ad, hey, at least they open it and check, instead of getting this in the mail and then just toss it away, right? Yeah, I think, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just thought it's worth a try.
You're so reckless, testing our luck, and I know better, but I never stop.
So today's drop off so far for the UPS. These are the UPS only.
Never stop.
Thank you.
You're in my head again. A memory was sitting on.
Hey, I'm calling to quickly update your business hours on Google Maps. I'm an automated service, so this call is recorded to improve our services. Could you tell me when you open and close all 7 days of the week?
It is on my Google Map.
Okay, I'll check the website then. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye bye. That's a spam. So what I've been getting these calls lately about, oh, this is Google and we'll try to update your business hour, and then can you tell me the business hour? So I was gonna hang up, but I was in the middle of the video, so I don't know why they keep calling about asking me the hours. I don't know what they're trying to sell. I never got through it, so I just hang up or either answer it and tell them that, hey, my business hour is already up there. Are you trying to promote something? Yeah, then later, yeah, they will say, oh, we have a program going on, blah blah blah. So they're not even from Google, but they're saying that, oh, they try to update our Google business hour. Yeah, so don't get scammed by them. Okay. It is now 4:40 p.m. and today's weather actually got lower. The temperature dropped, and it's like 85 degrees. Yeah, a lot cooler than yesterday. 83 right now. So yeah. But the wildfire is still going on. You know, the forest fire still going on right now. That's it for today, and thank you guys again so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content, and then thank you for watching my video. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You want to eat mangled raisin bread across the street and watch the cops raid the place?
Yeah, I'd like that.
Oh, here comes the UPS guy. Oh, I bet he's delivering those marmalade jars we ordered. Yeah, we don't need those anymore.
You can just do that?
Oh yeah, you can just refuse delivery. Anything you order, if you don't sign for it, it has to go back. Most of what America is now is just boxes going back and forth.